Okay. So today we learn how to pronounce O sound. Okay, the phoneme is O. So I'm going to share some words which word start with O sound, like almost, pronunciation. Okay. Then you can see there are some words. Those when you get to pronounce this sound, your mouth will be like O, all, call, ball, balls, walk, talk, fall, fought, fro, than, door, law, wall. Right? Okay. So if you able to pronounce these words properly, and these words will help you to make sentences when in the time of speaking any sentence. At the time your sound will be like more familiar like a native speaker. Okay, thank you.